Think it'll hold the charge if we go charge the AutoZone?
They'd have to put on a trickle charge.
Yeah.
Let's do that. And then let's go go bleed the Z. Take that one and go get charged. And let's go bleed the Z. Or let's go take that battery and go get charged.
You think a quick charge will work?
Well, let's do the quick charge.
No, like the way they do it.
If we had another set of jumper cables, probably. Let me see what size the battery is on in the truck, bro. Oh, that's a lot bigger battery.
I'm trying to crank it. Cranky. But I'm gonna go for a drive. Alrighty.
Park in front of the TL. Park in front of the TL or in front of the IS.
Alright, so we're here at my other friend's location, house. Just bought this nice looking Z300ZX. Look at that. We're gonna bleed the brakes and change the lower ball joints on it. That way we can take it out to the drift spot tomorrow and shred it. It doesn't have a reverse gear though, so we're kind of limited on not being able to go reverse, but who needs to go reverse? Look at this nice sort of prelude with the rear.
Show me how the gears work, baby.
How is he shifting? Show me the gears.
Shift it. You got it, dude.
Are we in neutral? Are we in neutral, son?
Yeah?
Yeah? Okay.
Alright, we're good. We're in neutral.
All right.
We're good to work. Damn! What the fuck?
We're leaking?
Huh?
Check the oil, huh?
Should've.
Yeah, right? They should have.
Hey, I need to find a harness bar.
A what?
Harness bar.
What the fuck is that?
Pump, hold, when you tell you to hold, put all into the forward. So forth, back and forth.
I'm ready.
Alright, start pumping.
Alright, it's on the floor.
All right, pump it. All right, hold it. Okay, pump it. All right, hold it. All right, hold it. All right, pump it. Hold it.
He should be able to lift that then.
He's being a little wuss then.
See, I was gonna get the wheels from Bradley's house. I was gonna throw those ones on the rear, and put those on the front.
Oh, it's just covered.
Oh, you took that off?
Huh?
You took that off?
No, that's how it was. It wasn't on.
It'll slide on by itself.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to do right here.
It'll slide on by itself.
When we press it in.
What are you doing?
When that thing sits right there, because it's gonna sit right there.
Right.
Try to press that side in right here. Yeah, like that.
And I'm trying to get it straight, so when to make it easier.
Is he trying to say mine to him? I don't think he knows how to say my name. Get a grip. Put your thumb here and just squeeze. Squeeze it.
You don't have no strength. It's not there yet, dude. Right. It's like,
Oh, he got it. He
you got it? Huh?
Do
Yeah, baby, do it
Do
again.
Look at it. Oh! You got it, dude.
He figured it out. He's using his thumb, like I taught him. That's not the right way to do it, but it'll do for now.
Right. It's strong, dude. Yeah, two hands.
Do it. That's the correct way, too. Yeah. Here, just set it up for him. Like that.
So we're gonna put Bradley's stereo on or something?
Yeah, the stereo, that's it.
I don't need these grease coatings, right?
I mean, yeah, if you want to add some grease to it later, yeah, I'd keep them.